Here's 3 surprisingly easy ways lawyers can get new clients. So if you're a lawyer struggling to get clients, I'm going to give you 3 practical ways to apply today to get new clients literally as of this week. You promise that you will implement one of these, right? I hope so. All right, so number 1 is answering Quora questions. It's the biggest Q&A website online. A lot of people do not utilize this. It's a very practical way to answer your prospects' questions and actually get clients from this. How do I know this? Because it was actually one of the first ways that I was able to get clients. I learned about the Quora, and again, this is about 7 years ago, so you can imagine how much more effective Quora is now with a lot more questions and a lot more visitors coming and using Quora. I'm about to give you 3 steps on how to best do this, and it's relatively pretty easy. You just have to put in some work. Number 1 is to create a Quora profile. Go to Quora.com, click on register, create a profile. Go look me up, Sam Mollaei, and look at my profile to see how to optimize your own profile, or go look up somebody's profile who has a good profile and optimize your profile to make sure that it's filled out as a nice smiling headshot profile picture. It's filled out, it's thorough, exactly about how you help your clients, and also put your email signature there with how people can contact you, and also provide a call to action if somebody wants to come book a call with you. Make that very obvious and clear how your prospects can reach out to you. That's number 1. Step number 2 is to create a list of your target keywords. These are keywords that your prospects may ask about your service, okay? So ask the when, where, how questions about your different services, particular questions that people have about your service, and go put that into the Quora search bar. All you do is just put those in, and you get a list of your past questions that people have asked, and systematically open those tabs up, and every day try to answer 5 questions. If you can, for the next 10 days, answer 5 questions, you will have 50 questions answered. And over time, people are actively coming and finding, either are searching for these on Quora or on Google and finding these on Google, and people will find your answer. If you give it a very thorough answer, and also provide a clear call to action of people, if they want to be able to ask you further more questions or to engage with you, how they could contact you, that will kind of open up the funnel for people to come and find you and to be able to hire you, okay? So that's number 1, is to, again, create a target keywords list and put that into the Quora search bar and answer those 5 questions. And number 3 is you could also utilize another smart way, savvy way, to find new other topics that you can answer, and that's by using the Google search bar. So if you go into google.com, then you search for site:quora.com, and then you put in your target keyword there. What that does is it tells Google, hey, go search Quora website for these particular keywords. So what you do is you're kind of bypassing Quora search bar. You're going straight into Google and asking Google, hey, Mr. Google, what are the top pages for this particular topic in Google? That means these particular pages could be ranking in Google. So let's just say somebody searches for something, the difference between estate planning and a will or whatever in Google, then sometimes these Quora pages could also rank to answer those questions, and you could be placed there. Getting a little SEO geeky, you could bypass your own domain's authority and piggyback off Quora's domain authority and be where your prospects are asking questions. So that's a very savvy way. Again, just search on Google site:quora.com and then put in your target keywords of the questions that your prospects ask and answer those questions. Very savvy way. Hey, hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're a lawyer and you're looking to work smart, scale fast, and enjoy life, right below this video, you'll find a link to book a call to speak to my team so we can tell you how we've been able to help over 500 law firm owners scale their law firm. Now back to the video. Number 2, surprisingly easy way lawyers can use to get clients is to create personalized Loom videos for your hottest 5 prospects. So right now, think about who were the last 5 people who reached out to me that were very close to signing up with me, but they haven't taken action yet. And what you want to do is go to loom.com or go into Google and search for Loom Chrome extension, download the extension or download the Loom for your computer and record a Loom video, personalized Loom video for your 5 latest prospects. That basically you send them a personalized video, say, hey Jem, I know you probably have some questions. I just wanted to reach out to you to see if you have any other things. And here's 3 reasons why you should move forward today. Very short video, 3 minutes max. Record that video and email that video to your prospect. And I promise out of those 5, there will be at least 2 of them that will want to move forward with you. by you sending them this personalized video. It works. Not only do I, how do I know this? Because I've done this in the past when I was working on the conversions of my leads. This is something I would do systematically. I would make these videos, send these out, and we would get a lot of clients from this. And our members have done this very successfully, so it does work. And number 3 is to send texts to your last 50 leads and text them a funny GIF picture. And just basically start a conversation with a funny GIF picture. Okay, easy. Go to make a list of your past 50 leads and just find a funny, just go on Google, search for GIF Finder, and there should be plenty of GIF websites, and find a funny GIF and just text them this GIF and just say, hey, thinking about you, let me know if you have any questions, or if you want to move forward. By sending these 50 texts, you will get a good percentage of these, at least 10% conversion rate. At least 5 of those will turn into clients. But again, by re-engaging them with something that catches their attention and starts a conversation back with them. If you do those 3 things, again, I'll summarize it quickly for you. Number 1 is to answer Quora questions. Number 2 is to send personalized Loom video. Or number 3, send texts to your leads, re-engage them with a funny kind of GIF, and you will see that you will be very easy for you to get your next 5 clients, okay? So go do it and share with me below when it works for you, because I want to hear these success stories, all right? I'll see you in tomorrow's video.
Lawyer Nation, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, take a moment right now to subscribe right below and turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I post a video, because right now I'm posting 5 videos a week, providing lots of value to lawyers. So click right here to subscribe, and to watch the next most relevant video, click right here. Go do it. Go watch it.